So the options which we gave him was that he can undergo FUT plus FUE and body hair transplant all together in one session. We took from the beard and the chest. So we had harvested a large number of grafts from the beard and the chest. He is quite happy with the results. Hi, we've seen this result. Now let's see what goes on behind the scene to get this kind of a result. How do we plan? How do we do the surgery? The number of sessions which we take. So this was a 28-year-old male who presented to us with grade 5, grade 6 male pattern baldness. He was very clear that he wanted coverage in the front and the back. So the options which we gave him was that he can undergo FUT plus FUE and body hair transplant all together in one session. So he was not very keen going other part of the body because उसने वही बोला कि भाई सर मैंने hair transplant करवाया नहीं है. I don't even know what is the result going to be. I don't want you to touch my beard or chest or anything in this stage. And he was not very keen for FUT also, these stitches and all. So you see, this is his donor area. His donor area was quite weak. He's got a retrograde alopecia also. And we then decided that we're going to take only scalp hairs, and we did 3000 grafts in this front 5 finger breadth. So this was his result after the first surgery. So this is 6 months after the first surgery. It looks natural, but you have a very large area still to be covered. You wanted to cover this entire area. Now you see, this is just a comparison of this scalp first surgery, and this is after the first surgery. You can already see there is a decrease in the donor area, obviously because we have taken some more grafts. So now we did not want to take many grafts from here. Of course, we did take from the scalp, and we had to cover this entire area. So we took from the beard and the chest. So we had harvested a large number of grafts from the beard and the chest, and this is the coverage which we were able to give it. In the first surgery, we did 3000 grafts. In the second surgery, we did around 3500 grafts. So we went and put some more grafts in the front and of course covered the vertex area in the second surgery. And that is why we were able to give him this dense coverage. This is 6 to 8 months after the second surgery. He's on medications, he's taking vitamins, he's applying minoxidil, and he's taking finasteride 3 times in a week. So you can see there is a dense coverage in this area, and vertex also we have covered. You can see, very important, that looks very natural. The hairline is zigzag. The cuts are looking natural. It's very important that hair transplant should look very natural. A large part of it depends upon how we shape the hairline. And this is another, show you another pic. Now this is the area where we have covered the vertex. You can see there is some amount of area where the skin is still visible over here. That is because in the vertex we need to put some grafts which go in different directions. So that is generally how we approach it, and there is usually an area where small area where probably you'll see the skin, but naturally also it looks. He is quite happy with the results.
Are you worried about your hair loss problem? Subscribe to our channel for expert advice from qualified doctors. Avenues Cosmetic is here to help, and the latest updates on quality hair transplant treatments. And if you're facing hair loss issues, book your consultation with us today for the right solution.